Welcome back to As E Dey Hot. On top of the senior brother for the television stations when they inside to borrow the world, Wazobia TV for Star Times channel 195. Ezuku Chukudi and Nkubide inside studio. And we discuss all of the action story wey happen for Nigeria for this weekend when pass. So, all the way from Enugu, we get Chigozie. Chigozie, good morning. And welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning, Chigozie.
I just want to call about the appointment. You people will say on a talk on Thursday. I know they are wrong. According to the appointment,
Okay.
for me, because I know we say enough for everybody, because everybody gets his own opinion. For me, I don't think the appointment is good. I could remember when Buhari assumed as president, the first speech where he talked saying there for everybody, whether you be poor, you be rich man. But today, nobody the thing where we see. And then go America and come tell us here, at that time when we supposed to know what thing that happen. So forget all these things when they say appointment still there. Instead of say, you know, they expect me to give people who give me 95%. Now I give them what I could give others. So that thing shows you know there for everybody. And all this money where they talk, say the money means, I don't believe them. Anyone, none of them. Every American, we hear within them and the American talk. After they come back, they come they say American talk this, American talk this. And none of American press tell us say CBC that. And where they talk that one, we don't know. American they hide something for their press. Even for our press, we follow Nigeria. At least they supposed to show us video. We will show where American talk. Even the one where Shomole talk, it be like say, even president no know where Shomole bring that one. So all these things, and waiting will prove them. All this money where they say in the news. Where the paper, where good law give them. At least if they read that one for Nigerians, anything where they talk, we go check whether not true or lie, then they talk. And as I tell you this thing, even before night go fall today, you go see another money they miss. Then go call another money. But and at the time we enter, he say our account is virtual empty. But within 1 week, we bring money come out saying they give other countries. Where the money they come? So all these things are lie. Many things where like Mohammed they talk. He go talk, let him go say no be the thing when he talk. I remember this thing for you. April 11, maybe your studio go there and interview Buhari for conference listing. Buhari talks say all these things we good laws they go meet Chad, meet the other country, make them come help Nigeria. Say na rubbish. Say Nigeria get time we go feed do am. But immediately we Buhari enter, you go other countries. Even if you allow Buhari to go the whole world. So
Okay, Chigozie, thank you very much for the points when we say you don't make. The reason why we allow you even talk all this one, the way you take drop your voice, come carry and go. But we hear your own point, and you don't dey very, very clear. Say, if we dey do appointments, make we dey try, they make the thing spread, because Nigeria and a country where we say we be different people. From Enugu, we enter Yaba, collect this call from Oga Michael. Oga Michael, good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning, Mr. Chukudi.
Good morning, Oga Michael.
Uncle B, we don't miss you.
Yes. I don't come back.
You're welcome back.
Thank you very much.
Even they said the party for your absence, Chukudi don't label you black. Label
Imagine.
you white.
Oh, you are the
Label
third person.
you
Thank
green.
you.
Thank God, say no accept me, saying the. You're welcome back. Okay, I think I chook mouth for this matter today.
I bet
Okay.
chook mouth.
The thing where I want to talk with say, like this appointment we say they talk about. Chukudi, you see now you let this particular issue of this last week discussion now become the main contender issue of debate today. Because there are major issues we say you don't raise, we say you're supposed to deliberate on today, but because their last word come say people will feel concerned of last week on. That is why you say last week discussion now want to overshadow even today's discussion. But anyway, we're going to talk and they go. It's still a meaningful contribution. What I want to talk with the thing with the president, the people we don't appoint for now. Well, for me, I cannot say the thing are bad, because I believe say Nigeria now don't they grow, don't they mature to some certain extent. Would be say if things they go bad, Nigeria they see them and Nigeria go over the top. Because if you look at from the history, Nigerian political arena, Nigerians don't they grow above that invisible fence where they say they block our sense of belonging. So they see clearly on what thing go benefit the country. Now when we say Nigeria don't they rise up to that particular occasion, so I believe say make Nigerians give the president that particular opportunity. What we see, maybe on his own part, he don't look and say the other avenue or the other systems where we say they run before, they profit the country, they benefit the country. So he now decides to bring out his own plan. But this particular appointment, which I believe is not a ministerial, which the Constitution say every ministerial appointment, every state must already have a representative, which it will come later. But for this way you don't do now, there's a word we could see. Me, I didn't on the opinion where we say any part of the country where we say you come from, if you go give out the best result, you will say Nigerian won. I go support that particular idea to the last. If now somebody from Imo State, then say you go perform, make in short, maybe they choose until as long as they give Nigerians what we want.
Yeah.
So for now, we could just be patient. We could watch. We could see how the system go run for some time. Then we're going to come in and actually air out our own opinion.
Thank you very, very much, Oga Michael. Just like Oga Politcap TikTok, you said don't also follow that trend. Say, look, make we no look where the individual come from. The major thing now to look the result and the responsibility to carry give the individual, whether you go fit deliver them or not. Ogo Biora, all the way from Yola. Good morning, Ogo Biora.
Yeah, good morning, Kubi.
Yes.
Make I first say happy birthday to you, Abel. I think the most important thing.
You say?
And I say I wish you happy birthday now.
Oh, thank you very much, Ogo Biora.
Yeah, and again, I want to apologize on behalf of Chukwu. You know, say now.
Oh.
You can't see where you talk. So I tell you, no too much. You don't say so.
No. Because of you, I will accept them. But we will still deal with that issue later.
Secondly, I want to tell you, Nkubi, my people is telling me that it's like without you in this as the hot, you still know the hot well. So we will feel you well.
Thank you.
Also, the business of the day. What the minister said about respecting the former president is very, very important. Because if this present administration did not respect the former president, when they will be former, people will still abuse them. And you know, what you do for another person, somebody will do it for you, and you know good. Again, this APC accusation always, we did not say that PDP did not steal money or maybe we are covering them. No, we are not supporting them. But what we are saying is that come out with your facts. Take them to court. We have the FCC. You are now in power. Stop acting like an opposition. We believe that they top trillions of dollars, but bring them to book, bring evidence, convict them. Let Nigeria see what you are saying. But if they continue up to now, accusing and counter-accusation, it will not help them. And the issue of Madam NNPC,
listen.
True, if she eats money, may they bring the committee, may they collect the money. Me, personally, I don't support anybody who go chop public money and put us in trouble or may they suffer. What I suppose, if you are doing bad, suffer for your bad. But let this present government learn to respect old people. Because assuming that good Lord refused this election, by this time now, Buhari will not be there telling us some things. But because of the affected team, they're supposed to give you respect and still look for our money and collect it gently. So thank you very much for your good job you are doing.
Thank you very, very much, Ogo Biora. And also thank you for your own opinion on this matter. Because you feel say, yes, okay, if that true say you steal money, okay, make them bring you to book. Make them also see all the money collect. Anyway, my own opinion be that.
Very true. All of us, Nigerians believe say money will belong to all of us. Now all of us own. And if they use them well, it will make plenty sense. So we support our government and anybody when we say get case to answer, making cooperate. If your name they clean, you clear your name. If your name don't get stained, you answer for them. We go take Oga Victor all the way from Port Harcourt. Oga Victor, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Chukudi.
Good morning, Oga Victor.
Good morning, Mr. Nkubi.
Yep. Would they hear right on?
What
Oga
I
Victor.
want to say is that I love your program. Keep it on.
Thank you very much.
What I want to be sure, brief here, you know. What I want to say is that Buhari should not commit political blunder because people around him are people that used to commit political blunders. He should be careful on his appointment because the case of Nigeria is a federal character. If you cannot tell me that a particular part of the country are better than others, if you want to become a true nationalist, like Dr. Nanda Azikiwe, there's a Dr. Nanda Azikiwe, there's Amadi Bello, there's Tafawa Balewa, there's Abofabi Awolowo. These people are federal characters. He wants to take the footstep of foundation of Nigeria. He cannot say that these people are corrupt or these people are corrupt. If we go to other parts of Nigeria, we see corrupt people that are not corrupt. You understand me? Mm-hmm. So he has to.
Hey. Oga Victor, they talk him the way when the team be for body.
He was on point. I mean, say make you not look on this thing. Say make not just favor a particular section of people. Say na federal character suppose they practice there and make sure say this thing go round. You know, we say the fact say the particular section of people no vote for you know me say make you just do it, make you abandon them because in the first place Nigeria in our country nobody anybody property we they talk on here and for that reason you owe the leadership every part of the country that responsibility to make sure say at least the country move forward by getting everybody involved in the system.
Very true. And if we even going to talk about the principle of federal character, we ain't talk say that one recognize say okay, Nigeria and a country where we say people from different ethnic backgrounds, people when they speak different languages, now ain't come together, now ain't form them. And because of that, they won't guarantee the interest of everybody. Because whether we like them or not, we get ethnic groups when they talk, say they be the major, they call other ones the minor. But as based on say we all are children of one mama Nigeria, it go good make everybody day. But if you can't check the number of appointees, you can't see say one particular state. Make we not even look at my states now because
region, no, just call them
make we just call them region. Make we even say the geopolitical zones, southeast, southwest, south, northeast, northwest, north central. It can't be like say one particular part of the country no get anybody when they qualified. Are we saying that this political party as a party no get one single person when come from this particular region when they qualified? Oga okay from Calabar. Make we hear wetin get to talk. Oga okay, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Chukwudi.
Good morning,
sir. Oga okay.
Good morning, Nkubi. Welcome to the show.
Thank you very, very much, and thanks for the call.
You're welcome, buddy. I beg, forgive my brother Chukwudi.
You're the second person.
You bet, no doubt. Oh, join, you understand?
Thanks.
And me, I can't even say, even if the permit no complete, make I send money, make sure see complete.
Oh, you see?
Because I know say they equal to the tax, he go see do am.
Okay.
Make I check my small.
Okay.
First of all, now for the appointees. Hello.
Good day, you.
For face of Nigerians, because we they say one Nigerian. For the face of Nigerians, the appointee is not just pure. It don't make sense. Before him become president, I see him. I don't see him they come. I don't see say he go there one-sided. No doubt. But if now to appoint one-sided, I mean the Northerns go make Nigeria move forward. Because I know some part of the world, some part of the country where we say, you no matter where you've come from, it matters say how you work,
yes,
how good you are, how fair you are to the people. That what qualifies you, to be in that position or to that post. So it no matter whether you're from north or you're from south or you're from east. But what you are the beg and be say, make him try at least mix and up more. I know say that waiting happened to our former president in the void. Make it not happen to her. Our former president, they good. But now people will surrender. Now know to just they pure. Now then no just given that full support, given the good idea to move our country forward. And the other one about our NNPC or something like that. Again, waiting that happen for Nigeria. And only Nigeria, I they see that thing. Waiting be that when you get money. You're a full citizen of Nigeria. When you get money, no matter where you come from, when you get money, you go if you do anything for Nigeria, go free. No, they make sense like that. I've been to several countries. I see how they maltreat people when they be their citizens. I see how they do them. But for Nigeria here, they see people from other countries work freely without even checking paper. So waiting at the top, he say, let him face whatever. You understand? Nigeria no being get that, and since he not get the license to carry any arm or whatever, make him face up. Thank you. God will bless you now.
Thank
Oga
you
okay
very
from
much,
Calabar.
okay.
Thank you very, very much for this one when you don't talk. It is very, very important. Say, make we point them out. Say, even though we get different opinion or different views, it's good to accept other people's own. But if we sit down, we discuss them, make we accept at the end. Make we take Oga Sunday all the way from Ikorodu. Oga Sunday, good morning, sir.
Oga Chukwudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Sunday.
Oga Okubi, good morning. Welcome. We don't miss you.
Thank you very much.
Oga Chukwudi, one lie against you. You say you know fit toast woman. Say they go find woman for
Oh.
I know say that one a big lie.
Thank you.
So if na toast now, see as you happy, he say, yeah, oh,
So
woman
now-
talk now, they see vein for your neck.
Now,
Oga Sunday
concerning
talk.
this issue when it dey ground, so for my own, anybody way Oga Buhari like, if we like, make it put a family, so far Nigeria they okay. Because if you say you won't look anybody face, you won't hear what people they talk. All of us will be Nigeria, but the Nigeria at the end of the day we go see they blame them again. So make you do what you day in mind. Make Nigeria day better now with day after. So concerning this Boko Haram issue, for my own opinion concerning this Boko Haram issue, I'm going to beg our government whether they go cancel all this hijab where all these Muslims they use, say they cover their head from head to toe. May they cancel them. May they just they cover only their hair. And then all those Hausa people where they follow trailer, they carry cow, they enter any state, may they check them where, or may they cancel all those Hausa where they follow cow, may they carry only the cow, they go any state where they won't carry and enter. May all those Hausa people, may they know they follow them because they are very dangerous. And any Hausa where they travel, every checking point, may they check them where.
Oga Sunday, thank you very, very much. Now, important point you don't drop. So, but it's very, very important to emphasize. Say, if we talk about security, no be only one particular people. Now, everybody, we no go talk. Say, maybe they check one particular people. Our security people come from different parts of this country. Now, all of us inside this country that they protect, may they just do their work well and ensure. Say, whether you come from here or you come from there, you no go cause harm to other people when they live for this country. Quickly, we go rush enter this break. When we come back, we'll continue our discussion. As it dey hot, e reach woman. We don reach the final bus stop of As it dey hot. From where we stand now, we dey see the end of the show. As we dey do every Monday, we dey discuss some of the action tori wey happen for Nigeria over the weekend. But it can't be like say the one wey happen last week when we say people still dey talk about am till today because of the shock when the thing carry come and na him come stand up as the #1 story. We get Oga Dixon wey dey call us all the way from Makurdi for Benue State. Oga Dixon, good morning, sir.
Oga Dixon, good morning.
Oga Dixon, you dey there? Be like say the network no gree make Oga Dixon making contribution. We go encourage people when we say if you want call, make you turn down the volume of your television so that we go hear you and the full Nigeria go hear you. Who could be more talk this Boko Haram story? This one when they talk say 20 Boko Haram commanders. Now our security operatives catch
From different
parts of this country. Enugu, Southeast, Lagos, Southwest, Congo, Kano.
Be the fat
They thought say they don't use their mouth to confess. Say some of them even talk say okay, now them participate, now them orchestrate some of the deadly Boko Haram attacks we will not see for this country. You get one we talk about the Potiskum attack and the one for Zaria.
Potiskum attack.
He beat in chest. Say he follow for the people when we say then sit down. Then write all the thing. Then map them out. One even talk say now he even strap the IED, the vest, on top of the people when we say go for the operation to kill plenty people. We dey trust our security operatives there. And if this one happen, they don't talk say from July go reach this August. Now they don't see this kind of case. We expect them to manage the information well and chook their eye well on top of the matter. We get Oga Kunle all the way from Kaduna. Oga Kunle, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Kunle.
Shukudi.
Good morning, sir.
And Oga Uncle, welcome.
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, we go do mango farm for village.
Ask him.
The issue of this appointment, the issue is that this appointment is sending a signal is a signal. Because you cannot tell me that there's no a qualified and a bona fide people and a trust people from other region in Nigeria.
And if you look at that appointment, it was on the eve of his coup that they overthrew Buhari 30 years ago that he made that appointment. If you check it very well, that didn't make it 30 years that they overthrew him. And you calling I will be surprised that, okay, look at the retired colonel, ex-serviceman to be a control general of custom, understand? So automatically we don't have a trustworthy in the system, understand now? And again, this appointment, understand now, for me, even if all the remaining ministers, and if you give it to the other region, I don't see anything there because the key appointment I'll be giving to your people. So automatically you don't trust people that work for you, don't trust people for that country, other region. Understand? And that appointment, understand, is a signal. So that's just my own contribution.
Ogakule, thank you very much. Ogakule says, "Siama sick that say here. This thing, the message is in the past. Not be waiting Nigerians but there we go still talk. And the major thing we say, if in the end we see say these people, they no can they work based on self-interest or regional interest. They can they work based on national interest. Can they deliver, and they deliver well. Now be the cocoa. More no can look where the person come from. But on the second phase, because of say we get constitution, we also back some of these things. We also need to at least balance the equation. Make sure say at least we make sure say the change matter we the preach about is circulate round.
And again, because of say some people talk say video when they don't see when Oga Presido been talk one kind one, and I make them they fear, they express themselves like this, they make them take the necessary action, and we just the hope say. As we believe our Oga Presido come out en masse to vote for him, something will never happen from 1999 date when we say the major opposition candidate go win incumbent for election. We believe saying go do waiting, go please all of Nigerian people. Oga Dixon from Makurdi don dey call us back, and we hope say the call go connect this time. Oga Dixon, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Chukwudi.
Good morning, Oga Dixon.
Yeah. Hello, Chukwudi.
Oga Dixon, bring down the volume of your TV set, Abel.
How is it?
We dey fine.
Nkube, how are you?
We are fine, Oga Dixon.
Eh?
We dey, Abel, Oga Dixon, bring down the volume of your television so you can hear as well.
Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes, we can.
Oga Dixon.
Chukwudi.
I dey hear you, Oga Dixon.
Anybody will say he no like, because I want Chukma into this matter. Anybody will say he no like the appointment our president make for now. He don't say the person no like this country. The appointment will still come. So these ones now the ones we trust, we won't work with to get Nigeria with who vote in, tell us make me help us. And that now the same work they do. So anybody for this nation say no like that. Waiting this man do, we know say this man not the best of this country. So we could take us small. We could just give us more time, please. Well done.
Thank you very much, Oga Dixon.
Thank you very much, Oga Dixon. We appreciate it all the way from Makurdi. You dey watch us in the hot, and you dey call us to Chukma for this matter. We will encourage.
Your opinion different anyway.
Very true.
At least people in trust, where you go feel surrender, now people you go put for some important positions. But say when it comes to the issue of sharing the political distance, time they come, it will still go round when that time comes.
Very true. Nigerians, they put plenty emphasis on top of positions, whether we like them or not.
But because of say, sorry, Chukwudi, the thing is, when it comes to political position and appointment and all that, sometimes I see them from a different angle. Nigerians, they want make their own people they represented, not because of say they want development per se, but just because they just want to make their own person they there. But the major thing we say, now the interest of the country go come first. As long as the person, whoever they there, go do waiting they important for everybody. Now, but not because they say just to say make your own person day. You just make no say they say even if the person no work. It does not work that way.
Who could be done finish talk for this matter? I don't even need to come contribute. He not talk not be who they there. Now waiting the person go do for the interest of everybody. We always they talk about all of us in the hall, say Nigeria and our country, no go spoil. Make all of us join our hand together to carry our country move forward. before President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan talk say all of us need to support this our President. And this our President Oga Muhammadu Buhari don talk say we go make plenty sacrifice to take move our country go forward. If we join the two together, it means say this country now plenty hard work now we go put to move and go forward. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic when they come out, plenty smoke inside the Nigerian politic arrangement. And Nkubi, you go tell them bye-bye. As per say you just come now from your mango.
See tomorrow, now bye-bye.
From your mango journey.
Why? I never forgive you on this.
What do you want to do me? You don't go.
Your forgiveness is independent, young man.
You don't go village.
You see me get man to mention mango.
You go village.
After people don't call it, you say make no mention mango.
You go village.
Say don't lie top of my head. You say mention mango.
Village. You do mango.
Man yourself. I don't.
For me, it's my opinion. You do mango business.
I don't say mango business. Mango business is nothing.
Don't
If you know, so just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.